Okay, so what you have to do is you have to take each one out. Close the one closest to you first and look at it. So the one closest to you first. Oh, did you see that?
Yeah.
What was that?
Aladdin.
And
That was the first Broadway show I saw.
yeah, okay. So take out the next one closest to you.
Lion King.
Lion King, yeah. Here, you put that one down.
And that was the next Broadway show I saw.
Yep.
Matilda.
Yeah.
That was the next Broadway show I saw.
Yeah.
Waitress! That's the Broadway show I'm in.
Yeah.
And what? And Wicked.
Wait.
I want to see that.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, what's on the back of that?
A ticket to go see Wicked. Yeah! I was hoping to have a ticket to go see Wicked.
Guess when we're going?
Where?
Guess when we're going? You won't be able to tell from there. Not tomorrow, but the next day.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh.